Okay, so our lesson for today is problem solving involving multiplication of fraction. Now that you have mastered the multiplying in fraction or fraction, um, magpa-problem solving naman tayo. So you've encountered the problem solving regarding addition and subtraction. So now we are in multiplication of fraction. So the same lang din siya ng steps. May kinuha lang ako which is the checking. So bakit ko kinuha si checking? Because the inverse of multiplication is division, wherein hindi pa kayo or hindi ko pa naituturo kung paano mag-divide ng fraction. So hindi kayo magsosolve ng checking, so only the solving. So kung mapapansin nyo sa aking video content na ginagawa ngayon, so this is are the steps in problem solving. So the first is yung understand, which is andito yung mga katanungan ni what is asked, what are the given, and then followed by plan, which is what operation will be used, then solve, which is perform the operation. So yun lang yung ating mga steps in problem solving regarding multiplication of fraction. So now I have here an example. So i-apply natin tong mga steps na to sa aking ginawang example. Okay, so example number 1. Okay, so for example number 1, Ina bought 4 and 2/3 kilograms of nuts. If 1/7 of the nuts were cashews, how much cashew nuts did Ina buy? So first step is we need to understand the problem, or we need to analyze. Then para mas madali natin siyang ma-analyze, i-apply natin yung mga question na binigay sa atin ni understand, which is the what is asked and what are given. So unahin natin si what is asked. So kung mapapansin nyo, what is asked is kung ano yung hinahanap dito sa ating problem. So automatic, ito yung answer niya. So how much cashew nuts did Ina buy? So what is asked, what is asked. So what is asked, the answer will be how much cashew nuts did Ina buy. So yan, followed by the question what are given. So what are given? So ano nga ba yung mga binigay na given facts ng ating problem? So the given facts na binigay ng ating problem is 4 and 2/3 of nuts and 1/7 of the nuts were cashews. So ilalagay lang natin is 4 and 2/3 kilograms of nuts, and then 1/7 cashew or nuts were cashew. So cashew na lang. So nilalagyan natin ng mga palatandaan para mas madali natin siyang maintindihan, or para mas ma-visualize natin siya ng mas madali. Okay, so now that we are done in analyzing the problem, now we are going to plan or what operation will be used. So kung anong gagamitin nating operation dito. So the operation that we are going to use is automatically multiplication, since the hint of the problem is how much. So yon, so ilalagay natin what operation will be used So the answer in here is multiplication. Okay, so in this case, depende sa inyo kung gusto niyo lagyan ng equation para hindi rin kayo malito. So but this is automatically the operation that we are going to use is multiplication. Okay, so our last step is we will now solve to perform the operation. So na-master nyo naman kung paano mag multiply ng fraction, right? So in multiplying fraction, so na-encounter nyo na siya, marami na kayong or nagigets nyo na yon. So we will now apply the operation regarding this. So since andito na siya, ilagay natin perform the operation. Okay, so paano nga ba i-perform itong operation na to? So 4 and 2/3, since multiplication yung ating operation, so times, then 1/7, because ito yung ating given. So yon. So i-apply natin yung mga steps or techniques or ideas regarding in multiplying fraction. So in this case we have here mixed fraction. So therefore we will now change it into improper fraction. So 4 times 3, we have here 12, then plus 2, we have here 14. Then copy the denominator, which is 3, multiplied by the multiplier, which is 1/7. Since na-change na natin siya into improper fraction, therefore gagamit tayo ng tinatawag nating cancellation method. So ginagamit itong si cancellation method para mas mapadali nating i-multiply yung fraction. So titingnan lang natin dito yung mga common factor ng ating fraction. So 14 and 7 have common factor, which is 7. So cancel. This is 1 and this is going to be 2, because 14 divides 7, we have 2, and 7 divides 7, we have 1. 1 and 3 have no common factor, therefore hindi na natin siya pwedeng ma-cancel or magamitan ng cancellation method. Okay, so now pwede na natin siyang i-multiply. So 2 times 1, we have here 2, and 3 times 1, we have here 3. Therefore our answer is 2/3. So 2/3 cannot be expressed into lowest term, so that will be the 2/3 will be our final product. So yun lang sa example number 1.